In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Steam games permanently from your library. Now, first step is you're gonna log into your Steam account and come to your library. From in here, you're gonna select the game that you want to remove. Now, keep in mind, this is not just uninstalling the game, it will remove it from your library folder. Now, once you found the game, let's say I choose this one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here and press on the support button. Once you're on the support, you have different options. They're gonna ask what problem are you having with this product. And the last option is I want to permanently remove this game from my account. So if you click on it, you will get told that you're asking us to permanently remove. And also keep in mind that this is not just a refund, this is to remove it from your account. So in here you just press OK, remove the listed account, or you can choose I change my mind if you don't want it. So basically choose this option and it will delete it from your library, and that's how you can do it on Steam. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.